Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a PayPal prepaid card not linking issue. This usually happens if the card isn't activated, the details don't match your PayPal account, or if PayPal doesn't accept the type of prepaid card you're trying to add. First, make sure your prepaid card is activated and has funds on it. Then log into your PayPal account, go to the Wallet section, and add the card details exactly as they appear, including the correct billing address and expiration date. If the information doesn't match what the card issuer has on file, PayPal will decline the link. Also, keep in mind that not all prepaid cards are supported, so check with the card provider to confirm if it works with PayPal. If your card is supported but still not linking, try removing it and adding it again, or attempt the process using a different browser or device. Sometimes PayPal may also require you to verify your account with a bank or regular debit card before allowing prepaid cards. If the issue continues, reach out to the card issuer or PayPal support for help. And that's it. That's how you fix a PayPal prepaid card not linking issue. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.